All right, guys, today is the day we're gonna get the water system going in the cabin.
Hooray!
Jen worked real hard and dug out the tanks yesterday and made it so this could happen. So today is a water video, and it's an exciting video. And we're gonna show you our new reverse osmosis system from Dreo. They have been taking good care of us for the last month with all our drinking water, right? Probably more like 2 months now, actually.
Last month and a half,
yeah.
All our drinking water and our cooking water and our coffee water.
Yep. So it's been a real great unit, and we're going to show it to you throughout this video as we get our water system going, and then hopefully everything goes well and we can have a functioning sink and a functioning shower.
Have hot water running. No more heating it up, guys. It's kind of exciting.
Let's get outside, get that system hooked up, and get rolling. No more pot of water for the shower. I'm taking this out of here. So guys, we get the most questions and most comments about water and off-grid and how we do it. And we can't get a well truck up here to the cabin, so we're never gonna have a well up here. Now we could probably get a well truck to the other side of our property if, you know, but that does us no good right now. I'm not gonna transfer water from one end of the property to the next, even if I did have the $15,000-$20,000 to get one drilled. So we're just on rate collection, and I like it. It creates some troubles, but everything looks good under here, guys. Dumped the antifreeze out of those 2 containers, those 2 filter canisters. Closed our valves. Everything's good to go.
Snow's almost all gone up here, guys. It's kind of exciting.
There's our water pump. There's our water pump.
How much water do we have in this tank?
75 gallons, so we're not gonna have a ton of water, but better than nothing, right?
A lot of sunshine.
All right, guys, get the hose coming over here. We got our 1 micron filter from last year. We're gonna use this until we get things really rolling.
Good.
Almost there, guys. Probably got 100 gallons in the tank now. No drips yet, but I haven't turned the pump on for the cabin yet. So Jen's gonna go inside and close all the spigots, because all the spigots are open. You know, when we winterize, we leave them all open. So she's gonna take you inside, and we'll see if we got some action. You smiling because
I like action.
you like water?
The kitchen sink. Hopefully this can be gone bye-bye. Fingers crossed.
Do hot or cold. Don't do it in the middle. Do one of like forward.
Pink, it's on forward, and it's...
Is there air or water?
There's pink coming out.
Okay, that's good.
Just let it run out.
Yeah. Yay! We didn't even have dead batteries or anything. Knock on wood. I mean, everything fired up.
Good job.
All right, very excited. So we have water hooked up to the cabin now for the year. I guess March is the month of water. That water isn't drinkable. That water's, you know, those filters take out sediment and some bacteria, but we need clean drinking water. Clean and safe drinking water is brought to us by Dreo. Dreo has this tabletop reverse osmosis system. This is going to take out 99.99% of imperfections and impurities. Actually has a nice screen right here that shows the TDS and the parts per million, the total dissolved solids in water. We don't have a lot of that because of rainwater, but what we do have to worry about is bacteria. There's a lot of bacteria that can get on the roof of the cabin and then end up in our tanks. So we cannot drink that water straight out of the tap. Well water has a lot of total dissolved solids a lot of the time. It's very sulfury in wells of all types in different parts of the country. And we need something to clean that water. And the tabletop reverse osmosis system from Dreo is a great option for that. It has a 170 ounce rear tank, so we can fill it up, and then we have 2 pitchers that we could swap back and forth and put one in the fridge. And we always have tons of clean, purified drinking water. The pitchers are 50 ounces each. Each pitcher has a sensor on the lid, and it tells the system to keep that pitcher full of water. That way, there's no manually filling it. There's no worries of coming and having the pitcher empty. It's just always full and ready to go. The Dreo countertop reverse osmosis filter system, not only is it quiet, but it fills up fast, filling its 50-ounce pitcher in just 3 minutes. You guys know that we were in Florida a few weeks ago. We took the Dreo with us, and we made sure that we had clean drinking water as well. It's very portable, compact, and easy to do that with. Use this at a camper. Use it for emergency type situations. We know a lot of you guys are from the south. Hurricanes come through and destroy stuff. You could be surrounded by water, but none of it's drinkable. Dreo's reverse osmosis system is perfect for that. No need to store water anymore. No need to have purifying tabs or put harsh chemicals in there to clean the water. Even city water uses chlorine to clean the water and sanitize it. We don't want that stuff being put into our body. It also has a lot of fluoride in it from the city, and we want to remove all that. With the reverse osmosis system, there's no worries. The Dreo is equipped with a PPC filter, and it's also equipped with an RO, reverse osmosis filter. Those 7 layers help keep the water tasting good and help remove 99.99% of bacteria. And when we were in Florida, we had shallow well water that had close to 500 TDS, or 500 parts per million of total dissolved solids. This took that water and turned it into under 50 parts per million, which is purified drinking water. We've all experienced it being at people's cabins up in the north or all over the country where there's a lot of sulfur in the water. When we were in Florida, there was a ton of sulfury smell in their well water. This removed that smell, and it took all those harsh metals out of the water. Not only can you use the pitchers and transfer water and have plenty of water around, but you could also put a cup right underneath here, choose how much water you want, 8 ounces, 12 ounces, or 16 ounces, and it'll fill your cup right up for you. It has a really nice display. That display tells you when your filters need to be changed and the lifespan on them. Part of that PPC filter is a coconut shell activated carbon filter. What that coconut shell layer does is help absorb off flavors and taste. And then the reverse osmosis filter can remove bacteria as small as 0.0001 microns. Both filters are affordable, easy to replace, and easy to maintain. A lot of peace of mind having a Dreo reverse osmosis system like that. Makes sure that we drink lots of water, helps us stay healthier. It makes one less thing we have to worry about during the day. So guys, I can't tell you how excited we are to have the cabin water going again, and the Dreo is going to take good care of us. Another great part about the Dreo tabletop reverse osmosis system is that it's installation free. We don't have to install it on the sink for the whole house. We can just set it on the counter, plug it in, we're ready to go. This keeps it simple, portable, and ready to go with you at any time. So what's your favorite part of the Dreo reverse osmosis system?
It's ease of use. It's easy to get water for coffee. It's easy to get water for when I'm cooking my rice or doing any kind of baking, bread, or anything you guys like to see me bake.
Yeah. Jen and I have been trying to be a little healthier this year. She makes rice all the time, so she can just very easily get some nice clean water right there next to the stove and get that rolling, right?
Yep.
Everything working?
Yes, sir.
What? No drama?
Got water running. Now I can take a real hot shower. Like, no bucket limitations.
What? You're not best friends with these pots? You don't want to use the pots all summer too?
No.
Look at these. We get to clean this area very soon and put the pots away and have it look nice again. It's very functional, but kind of messy and a pain in the butt. I have shoveled enough snow into buckets for a while.
Yes, me too. Knock on wood. We don't get any more.
So, what are we going to do with all this water in these pots? We got like a pot and a half of water left.
Run it through the
Drail?
yeah, so we have water.
There you go. Drinking water for another couple days.
Yeah.
Not going to waste it, right?
Yeah, we got limited water right now in the tank outside, so might as well, instead of just dumping that water, we'll make sure we use it for drinking water.
Yeah. And dog water and stuff. Dogs drink Dreo water too, right?
Yep. We all drink it. I don't want the pups to drink
Dirty water either.
dirty water.
Although I think their bellies are built for that, so. But clean drinking water, better. Look at that.
We can put this way.
Put your little portable shower away. That's cool.
Goodbye to this.
Show it off. Turn it on for a minute. Take a minute. There we go.
Hooray! Take a proper shower. No limitations.
And what?
No water too hot or too cold.
Yeah.
I'm a happy girl. And we can brush our teeth a little bit easier.
Jen's also happy because I might brush my teeth now. I haven't brushed my teeth in 3.5 months because I didn't have running water.
Uh-huh.
So guys, quick easy video for you. Hooking up the water. Hopefully we get some rain here pretty soon. It's supposed to rain tomorrow or tonight for a little bit. Hopefully that we can fill these IBC tote water tanks back up.
Hooray for running water! You don't realize how much you really appreciate running water until you don't have it for a few months and when you just have to use the snow.
Yeah. And now we have clean drinking water thanks to Dreo.
Yes.
So, guys, check out the links in the description box below for the Dreo, and the replacement filters and stuff are there too. So, we're very happy to have it, and we appreciate Dreo for sponsoring this video and keeping us safe and healthy, right?
Yep.
And now you guys know another way to have clean drinking water if you go off grid. Use it for camping. Use it at home too, because city water is not clean either. You know, it's sanitized, but it has stuff in it that you don't.
There's lots of stuff in it too.
Yeah.
So these are going to remove all that stuff, the calcium and the fluoride and all that.
All the
good stuff.
Yeah, the rain and here the rainwater. You know, it seems clean. Doesn't have a lot of minerals in it, but it does have. You know, there's smog in the air, chemtrails supposedly. We'll see. You know, that's a thing. Yes or no. But, you know, as the water falls from the sky, it can pick up contaminants as well. So we want to make sure we're safe. We want to stay healthy as long as possible. Thanks, guys, for hanging out with us during this video. We appreciate you. Make sure you check out those links in the description box below.